what's up everyone to the first video of our channel Tiger Gaming. Um let me just decrease the volume. Today we're gonna make our own zoo, but this is the part one. We're gonna make some what is this called, entrance maybe. Yes, we're gonna make a zoo entrance, and this is the layout. I have already built it before recording, and now we're gonna build the whole thing. I'm very excited because I love building zoo. I built a lot of zoo before, but not like this. I built like some basic, like really basic, just some fence and then just put some sheeps and all there. But this time I'm using modes, add-ons. Maybe they are called add-ons. We're using add-ons, and we're using a fake copy of 500 pack add-on. My friend gave me a folder and I downloaded it. It is for free, but this has, you see this border at the top right, that's the weak point of this add-on, that this never goes up. So we have to work with that, and I'm also using the add-on naturalist. So I'm just very excited because before this I never used any add-on. I only put pandas and cows and what was that, wolf. I always put those basics animal on my zoo, but this time I'm very excited and I'm building a massive zoo, and I'm also recording. I just hope I get some support from you guys because I love building zoo, but I never tried it on YouTube. And when I see so many people trying it on YouTube, I was like, oh my god, this is also a thing. And we can, like, almost whoever starts building a zoo, if they get like a good zoo, many views came. And I just, and I'm just very excited, man. I can't really tell how much excited I am. And I already know what kind of content I have to make. I get my inspiration from a YouTube video. Another small creator, he was, I don't even know his name. I just saw a YouTube video and just taking some inspiration. I'm not exactly copying, just a little bit of inspiration because I like his design. And oh, I just misplaced it. Okay, so I'm not gonna make any enclosure in this video. I'm just gonna make the what is this called again, entrance, and we're gonna make some, what was that, ticket counter maybe. Yes, we're gonna make that. And one more thing, this is my maybe a series we're gonna take out, and we will, like, you guys will tell us that what animals should we bring to our zoo. I won't be the one selecting, you guys will be the one selecting. So please support this channel. This is a very new channel and I'm very nervous too. I'm also nervous but also excited because I never ever tried a good YouTube channel. I have tried a little bit of YouTube channel of Minecraft, but they all just flopped. So I don't know, man. I'm really sorry for that. But I just hope this one get a lot of support. I never built a zoo in my YouTube channel but before, and this is the first time. And I'm like, again I'm seeing a lot of time, but I just really mean it, dude. I'm so excited. I can't even tell. And if you guys like to build with me, you can. I mean, not in my world, but in your world, if you want to just look it as a tutorial and whatever, you can do it. It's totally fine. But I'm again assuring you that this is not a tutorial, this is just me building a zoo for fun. But if you guys want, you can. Nobody's what is it called, nobody's charging you that you can't. You can, it's on you. And oh, this is looking weird. Maybe like this. Is it looking good, guys? I don't really know. But our entrance will be like this big, and we're gonna put slabs because I love this dark slabs. The oak one look very odd, but this dark one, I just love it. and maybe like this. Yes, yes, I'm loving it. Like this, and we have to cover it all over. Wait, guys, what should I do? How can we make it look a lot better than this? Like, to my idea, this part you see here, this will be a ticket counter number 1. This part you see, will be a ticket counter number 2. And from here you can enter, from here you can enter, and from here you can enter 3 ways. This way is just to expand the entrance to look a little large, and this way you can go, and this way. I don't know what can we do here. I thought making it an entrance, but maybe we can do some decorations here and anything like that. I don't know if this structure in which is in my head is actually gonna work or not, but let's try. There's nothing bad at trying. Oh no, I just, yeah, now it's good. Wait, I think yeah, let me break this, yep, now it's good. Or maybe just, maybe like, this is also good. Yeah, this is perfect, we're gonna make it like this. Again, let us join this and wait. Yep, now it's cooking. Wait. It is again looking very weird, but this stairs, just we can't fill it, you see. If we put it here, it will become like this, and we can't do anything with that. So we have to make it like this, and again like this. Yup. Oh wait, no. This part's a little tricky. What can we do here? We can make it like, we need to join it. Okay, if we do like this, will it be good? Yes, it will be good, but okay, you know what, I'm doing this, I'm breaking this, I'm breaking this also. Oh, what? This is, I have to calculate a lot because of this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I think it worked now. Yeah. Yes. And maybe like this. No. Wait. We have to like, yes, we can't sew the upper part. You see? We have to make it like this. Yes, this is awesome, and we have to repeat it, and then we have to like cover it all. Let me just cut the video, this part, and then make the interior of the zoo. Wait, no, of the entrance of the zoo. Okay, so guys, this is how the zoo turned out to look, and I'm pretty, what can I say, I'm pretty proud of myself by building this. Okay, I took a huge inspiration from someone. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I was saying that, in fact, like, even if I use some inspiration from, or take some what the heck happened to my tongue? Anyways, I took some inspiration, but still, I did a great job for myself. At least I think so. Like, because I just look at the video and I was like, this design is good. But then I thought, no, I won't copy it. No, I won't copy it. Just I'll mix it with my memory, and this is how it turned out, and I am pretty proud of myself. Let me know how you think this turned out to be, and let me show you how it is worked or whatever. First we come here, and like we open the door, and then we close it. Here we can saw, what was that, ticket counter. Yes, I didn't put the villager here right now, but I will. Then we'll get the ticket, and then we'll go to the zoo. Yeah, zoo is nothing there. We will make our zoo pretty huge, but for now it's just the entrance. And oh my god, what the heck is this? This zoo sign is looking so cursed, but you know what? The zoo sign took me so long to make it perfect and like in the middle. And I'm so sorry for the background noise again. These cars and children just roam around here and not in my room. You can see, like, in my room I'm alone, but from outside a lot of background noise is coming. So sorry for that. And here the middle part, which I make to expand the entrance, I am thinking of making some decoration. Let me put some flower on it. Also, I am using the mode, what was that called again? I think biome plus, maybe, or more biomes. I think I didn't remember the name. And we got a lot of beautiful flower from it, so we're gonna use this. I hope this don't grow into some trees or what. Oh my god. Oh my god, these fence. Oh my gosh. Let me think. These fence just connected to flower. How is this possible? I don't think in real Minecraft these work like that, but in this it just work like that. And oh my god, a children is crying. I just hate children, you know. I know they can't do anything, they will cry, but I just hate them. Like, if you're recording something and suddenly you'll get a lot of background noise now. Oh my god, I just hate children. And I don't think if my in the video background noise is coming that loud or not, but in my actual, I am feeling a lot of background noise. And she is crying, a girl, a children girl. What? Uh, I don't know, man. Listen, I am confused right now. I forgot all my English because of the background noise. Okay, enough. Now, shall we put the villager on here, the ticket counter? Should we? No, in the next episode. Now, I don't know what to do else. Maybe like putting some carpets over here. What carpets should we put here? Hmm. I'm. I want to go with some darkest color. Maybe like this, huh? This is looking good. Yeah, we're gonna put this carpet over here. And one more thing, guys. I'm very nervous, a lot nervous than you thought, because I want support here. Please, guys, can you please support a little? I just love people supporting me. I did a hard work making this video, especially of the background noise. I need to cut a lot in this video because of the background noise, and I'm just so pissed off of the background noises. Not only the children, but some cars and all. I'm just so pissed out. And I would make an enclosure right now, but I didn't because I am tired of the background noise and I just need a rest. Next video, we're gonna make our first animal habitat, and I want you guys to tell me which one you want, and I will make that. So tell me how the zoo turned out to be. The zoo entrance turned out to be. And please support me, guys. I really need your support. Till then, see you later. Ta ta.